Alright guys, we're here at the San Ysidro outlet mall, visiting the Nike factory outlet. There's a line, so there's about 15-minute wait. There's an ongoing sale. There's a 30% additional clearance off hash wall and tag items at the store. And if you guys had if you guys had the Nike Plus, you have also additional 20% off. Alright guys, let's go see. Come and join me. Alright guys, we're back at San Ysidro. I am in the back of the line. It's about a 15-minute wait. Alright guys, we're almost there. We waited like about 10 minutes in line. You have additional 30% off clearance. Plus, if you're a Nike Plus member, they have the additional 20% off entire purchase. Checking the aisles really quick, they have the Jordan 6 price 54 release. Retail price though, if you have that 20% off entire purchase, so it'll be like 160. They do have full size run, you guys, size 8 to 14. And right next to it, they have the Jordan, what is it, the Jordan 7? Yeah, Jordan 7 Hair. They were here about 2 weeks ago. They're still here. Checking for you guys. They're still full size run, 8 to 13. Yep. Jordan Hair. And they have the Westbrook Why Not 3.99, and it's a full size run. And they have the PG6. It's $109, $20 off retail. It's a little expensive. I've seen it cheaper at the malls. Yeah. And they have the Jordan Proto React C, $109, and the DMP Mars 270s, $89, and the bread colorway Mars 270, $89 as well. And more Team Jordans, you guys. The Jordan Jumpman 2020, $79.99. The Jordan Ultrafly Low 2s, $69 for this colorway. And the Jordan Fadeaway. It's almost like the grape. Alright guys, we're going to start at the larger size 14 and down. We're going to see what stands out. And you saw the sign, there is additional 30% off the hash wall. Starting off the big footers, size 14 Air Force One, Black History Month. Yep. It's like retail, but with 30% off. Right below that, we have the Airspan 2 in this solar red white. Right below that, you have these Air Silver Vomero 14s, $59.99 plus 30%. And they have a lot of these soccer cleats, the Venom Elite TCFG. It comes with a dust bag. It's going for $99 regularly, $250. Right above that, PG3. What is this one? Oh, the Dura Sport. It's a golf shoe. It's retail price though. We have a couple of like the Airspan 2, the red white, $34.97 plus 30%. So this pair comes out to around like 21 bucks, you guys. Not bad. And then if you tack on the other 20% entire purchase, and it's like less than 20 bucks. And right below that, you have the Mars 270 in the grape colorway, and some Joyrides next to it, $49.99. And then the LeBron Witnesses, finally they're in the hash wall after sitting in the aisles for the last time I was here. We're now at the size 11s, 11 and a half. See is it's like a soccer cleat, Untouchable 2, $59.99. They have the Element Anthracite 87, $109 plus 30% off. You have these are new, the Nike Air Zoom BB Next, retail price. And right next to it, they still have the Air Zoom Freak ones in this colorway. Now it's $69.99. And they have a lot of the LeBron 17 lows in this colorway, the white metallic black. Now it's $119. They have plenty. You have this one here, and if I pan around for you guys, they have more. Yes. Quick look at the Jordan bags. They have these Jordan 12, 54 plus 25% off. They have plenty of them. And they have these Jordan 3 ones, 34 minus. And a quick look at the soccer cleats. They have these, the Phantom Venom Academy FGs, the Phantom Venom Club FGs in this colorway. This one on black, something Club FG, Legend 8 Pro FG in this colorway. This one on the black on black. And finally the Superfly 6 Club. Alright guys, quick look at the size 10s on down. Checking to see if there's anything that stands out. Alright guys, there's Air Flight. It was in the wrong size, but it's... We have these air seam type. Retail minus 30%. And in the size 10s, a pair of hybrids. And for 89 bucks, a size 7, 720 Saturns in this colorway. And finally the hash wall, the Jordan 10 Wings. Finally at the hash wall, these are like the leftovers. Still retail minus 30. And this colorway for the seam fruit. And they have these Air Max 98s in the size 8, 99 minus 30. Pretty good price for that. For more, there is an Air Max 95, 129, a bit pricey even with discount. Alright guys, gonna do a quick look at the women's sizes. I don't see much that really stand out since my visit like 2 weeks ago. So we have these Air Max 720s, 89.97 in this colorway. Not bad. Again, there's really nothing that stands out since the last visit. They have this one. This was here again. It's 49, so it's 35 bucks. Alright guys, a quick look at the kids sizes now. I'm just trying to see if there's anything that really stands out for you guys. Yeah. Everything, you know, it is 30% off, so not bad. You have these Prestos in that Storm colorway. Nike Presto React. Quick look at the kids Jordan wall. You have the Mars 270s in this colorway, Bread and the DMP. And like last time, they still have these, the Jordan Max 200s in this colorway. I think the other colorway got sold, so. Alright, you have these Jordan 11 retros, the little flex. $49.99, down from $70. We do have these Zoom Freak ones, 3.5Y, and this colorway, $69. Wow. You have these shorts. $21.97, you guys. Pretty good price, plus another 30%. You see right there. So the Jordan shorts, they have these stone, like white cement swim trunks for sale. They do have some PSG t-shirts. Just checking the prices for you guys. It's $34.99. So these are, you buy two for $25. And right next to it you have shorts. I'm not gonna check all the apparel because they have different sales. Alright guys, thank you again for joining me here at another Nike Outlet Vlog at San Ysidro, the Las Americas outlet stores. They did have an ongoing sale. They had a 30% off the hash wall, plus they have items on the aisle and on the store floor that had additional like 20% off, 2 for $25, and other discounts. And then if you're a Nike Plus member, you have also an additional 20% off that you could take advantage of this weekend until October 27th. So if you have that, if you're a Nike Plus member, you could go ahead and look into your app and see it for that email for that additional discount. All right guys, thank you again for subscribing. Like, comment, and share down below. And if you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I do try to release content like this once or twice a week and content in between that. All right guys, until the next video,